How to fix a car that's stuck in park. Time to get your car out of park. These fixes should get you back on the road in no time, but don't try to force the shifter loose. I know you're probably frustrated, but this isn't a good time to try to brute force your way through the issue. If you try to force the shifter loose, you could break other parts. Your car's transmission is an expensive piece of equipment to repair. Steps to release a stuck automatic transmission shifter. Step 1. Turn off the car. You'll need to start with a car that isn't running. Step 2. Set the parking brake. Pull up the parking brake as far as it goes before doing anything else. Step 3. Go to the run or on position. Now put your key in the ignition and go to the run position. If you have a push to start, don't press the brake pedal before pushing the button. Step 4. Find and remove the override slot. If you look near your car's shifter, you should see a capped piece of plastic. Typically it's to the left and a little above the shifter. The plastic you see in the hole is just a plug that can be taken out. Use a flathead screwdriver and pop out this piece. Step 5. Push down into the override slot. Use the same screwdriver and push it down into the override slot. Continue pushing for the rest of these steps. Step 6. Press the brake. Press the brake pedal with your foot just as you normally would when you go to change the shifter. Step 7. Move the shifter to neutral. With the brake pressed and screwdriver pressed into the override slot still, grab the shifter with your other hand and move it into neutral. It's okay that the car is still turned off. This won't work if you put it in drive or reverse. Step 8. Start the engine. Now you'll be able to finally start your engine. You can remove the screwdriver at this point. Since your car is in neutral, it will successfully start and you can drive away. If you want to avoid doing this process every time you want to drive somewhere, you should fix your car. This is just a temporary solution.